Hi guys, so in this video I'll just show you if you want to download the image from your Google Doc. It is very simple and easy. And if you are facing an issue in downloading the high resolution image, so this video will help you. So if, for example, right now I have this script with me. This is the script that I've written, and the reference images are there which I need to be put in the video when we are exporting the video. So in this situation, what are the options that we have? So what we can do here is we can't do right click and download image. It's not, the option is not there. But what we can do here is we can do right click on the image, click on view more actions, click on save to keep, and here on the right side you will see after some time, maybe 10-20 seconds later or 5 seconds later, the image will pop up. So here you can click on save image as, then you can download the image, but the size of the image will be very small. But if you want a larger size, or for example high quality image, if you want to download it, then what you need to do is you need to click on these three dots, then open in keep. You have to click on open in keep, then the image will come up here. Now what I can do here is if I do open image in new tab, you will see the image quality is much bigger. So if I go back here and if I do open image in new tab, so you can see the size of the image. This is the size that you can download here, and this is the size of the photo. If you save the image, if you click on save the image, this will be the size, and this is the size. Huge difference. The quality of the photo is huge. And right now what you can do here is either you can click here save image as, or you can click here on and do save image as. So this is easily, you can download the image that you have put in your Google Doc very easily, and you can download the high resolution image. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you.